So I've been just like bawling over here, and I want to tell you why. Because it's so hard already to be Muslim publicly. And then all of you are going through so much, like in your lives. You go back to your parents and your community expectations, people coming at you and telling you you're haram, you deserve to go to hell, and God wants to punish you. Ha ha ha, you kafira. And then you think, why would people want to stay? I just want you to know that the light and the joy and the blessing, despite the pain and the trials and the tests and the struggles, that when you build your relationship with Allah and you focus on getting to know who He is, that no matter what you're going through, He appreciates what you do. He is grateful every time you choose to make a decision for your faith, even if it's hard. And He rewards you even just for the intention of doing something right, or the intention that you're going to do something wrong and you choose to walk away. I'm not here to tell you this life is a test, this life is short. It is. But I want you to know that living your life with purpose for the sake of Allah and finding joy in that, I don't know where I'm going to end up in the hereafter. I pray it's Firdaus al-A'la, Ya Rab. But I think just living that life with that light, it's worth it. Okay, now that I'm done bawling my eyes out, so what I would recommend, 4 things. Number 1, read a translation of the Quran if you don't understand the Arabic every single day for 1 year and see how your life's going to change in a year. Read 1 verse, 1 page, 5 verses, 5 pages, you choose. But do it every single day. Your life's going to transform, inshallah. The second thing is read Reflecting on the Names of Allah by Gina and Yusuf. Take 1 name of Allah a week. Read that chapter once a week on 1 name. The rest of that week, make dua to Allah by that name. Look for how that name manifests in your life. Get to know not the why and the what and the absolute constant focus on that. Focus on the who. Fall in love with the who. Third thing I recommend is a support group for women with Rabata. They have a support system for women that has mentorship with scholars. And sometimes your parents, your community are extremely supportive, and that's such a blessing, but sometimes they're not. And so you need that support system. Fourthly, sometimes you think you have a faith problem and you don't. It's a mental health issue. So make sure you work with a therapist to process your emotions. You got this, friend. Inshallah, let me know how you're doing in a year.